Hello class, Mr. Stone here. The problem they gave us today, it says, in the given triangle, if A equals 2B, find the value of angle X. Okay, we'd quickly look at this triangle maybe, if you didn't read all these instructions carefully, okay, and you look and say, wow, there's no values, no numbers, okay, because you might have just read this real quick and said, in the given triangle, find the value of X. Okay, you'd be saying, how am I ever going to find that? But there was a key here. Right here, A equals 2B, okay? And above, I put the triangle rules again. I like putting them, okay? So we know the whole triangle equals 180, okay? The whole thing is 180, okay? So all we really have to do is just rewrite the letters inside, and everywhere you got an A, you substitute 2B, and then you make it all equal to 180. So let's do that, okay? So the first one up at A, we'll start with A and then go to B and then go to C. So we got A plus, now let's go to the next one. Whoop, I didn't do my instructions really good. Let's erase the A, okay, because we're going to substitute for 2B, remember? Okay, so let's substitute. So we got 2B plus, now in B it's an A, so we got a 2B plus a 1B plus a B. Now, plus, now let's go to C. A is there again, so that's a 2B plus 2B equals 180. 180. Okay, so let's see how many B's we got. We got 2B, 4B, 5B, 7B, 9B's. So we got 9 B's. 9 B's equals 180. Okay, so let's get the B by itself. We got to divide the inverse. Divide both sides. If what we do to one side, we got to do the other side. Okay, we got to do the other side. So these two 9s cross each other out, and this goes down to 20. So B equals 20. Okay. So, let's solve, okay? So, we go back to the original triangle. Now, we know this top one was 2B. Let's just write this, 2B. And we know this one was 2B plus B. We know this is a 3B. And now this was a 2B plus 2B, so this is a 4B. You see how I got that? Because I just moved the 2B into the A position, okay? So, this would be 2B plus B would be 3B. And this would be 2B plus 2B equals 4B. Now, we just put the 20 in for the B. So this one equals 2 times 20 equals 40. So that one's 40. And this one equals 3 times 20. 3 times 20 equals 60. Okay, so 60. So you get a 40, a 60. I'm just going to square these off. And now this is 4B, so 4 times 20 equals an 80. Square that off, okay? So, hey, that's all my angles now. But now, I got to solve for X, okay? So, all I really needed to know, I really just needed the 4B. Because now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a straight line, okay? Straight line right here, okay? So even though I solved for all of them, hey, it's probably good practice, okay? But if I was on a test, all I really would have had to do was put the 2B in that one and just do that. I didn't have to do the multiplication of the 2 times 20 or 3 times 20. Okay, I didn't have to do that, okay? I could have just went right to this one and said, hey, that's 80. So the whole thing is 180. So we got 180 minus 80 makes 100. X equals 100. Square that off. Hey, the teacher knows, hey, my answer is X equals 100. Star that so the teacher knows, hey, this is my answer. X equals 100. Okay, and that was all there was to it. Okay, but you see, I kind of like these triangles and, you know, the plugging in the values. It kind of gives you good practice to solve all around. Okay, because there might be some tests that they want to know all of them. But if they just wanted to know that, you just have to do that one simple problem right here, and you would have came up with it, okay? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you know any mathematical friends, or any students in school, please share this with them, okay? Because they might someday see this on a test and they might go, oh, wow. But if they don't read this correctly, they would have just been looking for X and they would have said, I don't know how to solve this. But you see how easy it really was, okay? Thank you very much and you have a great day now. Take care. Bye-bye.